Trend analysis of TikTok phenomenon, cultural and social effects. TikTok monetization, tips, a practical guide to monetizing the popular video platform. As one of the most popular video platforms and social networks, TikTok provides many possibilities for its users to earn money. Different methods are used to convert your efforts and creativity into sources of income, which we will examine and explain in this article. 1. Content advertising. One of the main ways TikTok users make money is by partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in their videos. This method allows users to create content related to the products or services of companies and establish a financial partnership to display them in their videos. 2. Partnership programs and investment advertising. Partnership programs with companies willing to sponsor TikTok users is another way to make money. In this way, users can get financial rewards by participating in certain advertising programs and featuring their products or services in their videos. 3. Exclusive content for the audience. Creating exclusive content for your audience and offering it through direct payment services is another way to make money. In this way, users can create videos for audiences that are accessible by paying only a small fee. 4. Digital entrepreneurship. Developing digital businesses based on TikTok is an attractive way to earn money. This includes creating an online store, selling digital products such as tutorials, books, or other digital products. Conclusion: as a popular video platform, TikTok provides many possibilities for its users to earn money. From content promotion and affiliate programs to exclusive content delivery and digital entrepreneurship, there are various ways to earn money from this platform that users can use according to their skills and interests. However, success in making money from TikTok requires effort, creativity, and various strategies that users must adopt. In the last decade, social networks and digital media have created significant changes in cyberspace that have profound effects on today's culture and societies. One of the new phenomena that has accelerated and gained a special place by entering the field of social media is TikTok platform. In this article, we will have a close look at the TikTok phenomenon from the perspective of cultural and social effects. First part, introducing TikTok. As a video-based platform, TikTok has gained a special place in the heart of social media in recent years. This platform allows users to create short videos using various creative tools and filters and share them with other users. One of the unique features of TikTok is the advanced video recommendation algorithm and inclusive social communication, which has made this platform highly attractive to users. Part 2. The cultural effects of TikTok. TikTok has profound effects on youth culture and digital society. By creating a space for spreading creativity and new ideas, this platform helps to provide opportunities for expressing individual identity and communication between people. Also, TikTok, as a new culture with its own characteristics, creates a new model for social communication and pervasive behavioral models. The third part, social effects of TikTok. This platform has effects not only on culture, but also on communities. Due to the power and facilities it offers, TikTok is also used as a tool to spread social messages and support social issues. Also, this platform can have negative effects, including increasing dependence on technology, creating unfair competition, and promoting inappropriate content. Conclusion: as an emerging phenomenon in the digital media space, TikTok has significant effects on culture and societies. This platform has become one of the most popular social networks by creating a space for sharing experiences and creativity through advanced algorithms and inclusive communication. However, it should be noted that this platform can also have negative effects, and one should try to use it in a balanced and responsible manner.